Executive functions are a series of cognitive abilities that are housed in the prefrontal cortex in our brain and enable us to control our impulses, stay focused, and explore new perspectives. Although executive functions play a major role in our everyday life, there is limited research on how they are utilized in non-clinical settings. The topic of my research is how cognitive flexibility, which is encompassed in executive functions, is related with prejudicial attitudes involving different ethnic identities. Participants in this study will be asked to respond to scales on cognitive flexibility, openness to diversity, ethnic identity, empathy, social desirability, and psychological well-being. Because cognitive flexibility tends to decline with age, a group of older adults will be used for comparative purposes. The main question for this study is to determine whether there is a correlation between age, cognitive flexibility, and prejudice as it relates to ethnicity. The aim would be to establish if individuals who score higher on cognitive flexibility measures are less prejudiced towards other ethnic groups, and if individuals who score lower on cognitive flexibility measures more prejudiced towards other ethnic groups. The literature has established that the more attached one is to one's identity, the more hostility is shown to dissimilar individuals, but it is still not clear if there is some other factor that affects both. For this reason, it is important to address the gap in the literature by beginning to analyze how cognitive flexibility is used in everyday life across the lifespan when encountering dissimilar individuals.